Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we can say that Bitcoin completed the first setup for a potential bear market. But before you panic sell everything you have, just watch this video. So before we start, just the usual, please do subscribe because you do me a huge favor. Click on the like button if you like the content and comment anything you'd like. If you liked it, if you didn't, just tell me what you don't like and I will try to improve. If you want to get in contact with me, Twitter or Discord, everything is in the description. And if you want to mine helium without investing, or maybe just to try it, click on this link, I will explain everything there. We are at the Bitcoin price chart and we can say that Bitcoin completed all the steps to set up a bear market. Because a bear market usually starts a second leg up. And right now Bitcoin broke through all the moving average resistances. Nothing else to do now but to wait. Now if you want to see what are those indicators, the most important ones are the 50-day moving average, the 21 weekly moving average and the 200-day moving average. But it's not that simple from my point of view. It's not enough to break through all the indicators, even though I think that we broke through very fast. The bear market will start, that's when we will say that we are in a bear market, when Bitcoin breaks this support level. This is not coming only from me. This is not what I've decided. I am following a lot of people, not only crypto traders, but the Dow Jones, the transport, Forex traders, everybody, because Bitcoin and the crypto world is maturing, it's going through puberty. Therefore, the indicators, the market movements will be more and more applicable to Bitcoin's price movements. And everybody is agreeing on one thing, that if after breaking through all the resistances, Bitcoin comes down and breaks this major support line, then we can with confidence say that we are in the bear market and a decline will come. Now the only thing which is missing, a couple of things, but the only thing which is missing is the mania, is the parabolic run, which was always present in the previous bull market. However, we only had two bull markets so far, therefore it is something we can rely on, but not really. For me, what I also need to confirm that we might enter in a bear market, and don't misunderstand me, I do think that we are in a bull market, and I do think that in September and October we will have a parabolic run, and I will tell you a lot of times to take profit. So what we are missing is depleting volume, which is not present. We don't have a depleting volume, we have a consistent volume, I think. And the other thing is that Bitcoin is flowing out from exchanges, as you can see here. Okay, it's not slowing down. The exchange outflow is 100,000 Bitcoins per day, and that is a very good sign because people are still accumulating. Now, if Bitcoin corrects and goes down to the 50-day and comes back and spends some time here, maybe takes a dive here and comes back, that still doesn't mean that we are in a bear market. I do think that this would be a healthy price movement after a 50% run like this. Let's go forward. Elrond. Elrond is at 134. As I said, correction was imminent. I was expecting a bigger one, as I was expecting to come down at least at 115, 120. It seems that it won't. And obviously that's a good sign. I'm also okay with small corrections, don't get me wrong. I was just expecting a bit bigger since we went up from 63 to 144, and that is more than 2x. Also, one of the most important news were released today or yesterday. You probably know that Elrond partnered with Chainlink some times ago, and right now or yesterday, as Benny tweeted, Chainlink Oracle data is now live on Elrond DevNet. If somebody doesn't know, Chainlink Oracle data is bringing real world data to blockchain projects. Therefore, let's say it's like having a grip on the real world data, and that's how a blockchain project becomes part of it. And this is very important because this is how a project which has no attachment to the real world becomes a real financial entity, let's say. Poly network hacker returns 258 million. As you know, this week happened the biggest hack in crypto world. A hacker took 600 million worth of crypto from the Poly network, and now they want to return 258 million. They speculate that this was a white hat hacker, but I doubt it, because a white hat hacker is usually hired, and he just points out what are the weaknesses in the system, and usually he doesn't take the money, and if he takes the money or anything else, they return it like instantaneously. They don't wait a couple of days. I think this is more like blocking their wallets, the wallets where this crypto went, and also a lot of Tether was blocked, so they couldn't really do anything with these, only just hold them, and probably that didn't work out for them. So yeah, it's interesting, and as long as you think that this is a bad thing, I don't think it is, because this shows that in a matter of days they found the hacker, at least the wallet, they tracked it, they blocked it. So he came back offering, let's say, not a reward, but a payment to have access to the stolen funds. I just can't wrap my head around these things, but yeah, this is real, and if this happened like 5 years ago, I am sure that these hackers would have cashed in that 600 million already, and they would be in the wind. So this is all I wanted to talk about today. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button if you like the content. As I said, don't be afraid of the bear market. I don't think that we are going into the bear market. I do expect another bigger move at the end of this year, and when it happens, it will go down fast, it will go down very quickly, and if you don't take profit, then you will have to wait a couple more months or years to take that profit. So remember that, and I see you tomorrow.